Investing in real estate should never be about how much you have in the bank right now, but rather how much you desire to join the winning team, how much you desire to have something that would not only work for you, but for generations to come. I'm currently at Lekki Pride 1, located in Ajiwe, Ajah, Abraham Adesanya axis. This is an estate you should not only desire, but strive to own. Lekki Pride 1 is a fully residential estate. That is, there are people living here already, as it comprises 3-bedroom terrace duplexes as well as apartments. The terraces are fully sold out. But guess what? The apartments are also almost sold out and almost completed, set to be handed over to investors in no time. But you're definitely in luck, as we have few units of 1-bedroom apartment currently open for sale, and you can be a lucky owner of one of the units. Talking about owning a unit right here at Lekki Pride 1, you definitely do not have to break the bank. With an initial deposit of 10 million naira, you can kick off your journey of owning a 1-bedroom apartment, which is currently selling at 60 million naira. Now remember, I told you are in luck because there are only few units left. You can start your journey of home ownership right here at Lekki Pride 1. Either you want to stay in by yourself or you want to use for rental income. Where else would you rather be than an estate like this one? A serene estate that has all the facilities that would give you peace of mind. This is the best time to join the winning team and the right time to own a piece right here at Lekki Pride 1.